An even number, they're divisible by 2, or it's the result of a number times by 2. If I take any integer at all and times that by 2, it's going to become even. So you kind of want to show that that fact is true here. And I'm going to take this algebra and simplify that down. So the n squared minus the 2, we can't really simplify that yet. But this bracket we can expand. And if we expand that, we get n squared minus 4n plus 4. When we're expanding square brackets, if you're not comfortable, you can write them out. So you can write n minus 2, and do it the traditional method of timesing through. Otherwise, you can square the first term, double the product. The product means both of those times together, and then square the last term. Remembering that a negative 2 squared, that's double negative, so you get a positive. And we're subtracting all this bracket. So if I wanted to subtract that bracket, it's basically being times by minus 1. Or I can just consider that all these become negative. So negative n squared, negative negative, that becomes a positive, and then negative 4. So I have n squared minus 2 minus all of this. I'm going to start with the n squared terms. I've got none in total because I have 1n squared minus another n squared. I have 4n. And then I have minus 6 in total because minus 2 minus 4. Just in case you're not familiar with how you can simplify down this expression. That's one term. That's another term. Those are my n squared terms. And then I have plus 4n. That's the only term which is like that one. And then finally we have this 4n, minus 4, and this minus 2. And that's basically what I've combined together to give me this expression down here. Now finally, to show that this is divisible by 2, or that it's a result of something times by 2, I can bring out 2 as a factor. So 2, lots of 2n, minus 3. And I probably want to finish off with a statement saying therefore it's even, just to show that I've actually got a conclusion, but it must be even. Assuming that the examiner doesn't really know anything about maths, we could explain that 2n minus 3 is going to give us an integer, and we're timesing that by 2.